What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can make money online selling t-shirts. And you can make money and you can bank just like this. You can create your own designs. See, I have my Twitter, I got my Instagram page right there, but I'm going to share with you guys some tips and ideas and websites that you can use if you don't know. And guess what? This is international, it is worldwide, so anywhere around the world you could sell t-shirts online and you can make a ton of money. So before I even dive into things, I'm going to give you guys some tips and some pitfalls that you should avoid, right? Most people try to start their t-shirt business at home, so they buy a bunch and they buy bulk and they have it at home. They probably buy a machine, like a printing machine, one of those hot press machine, and they probably try to do it themselves. Now, do keep in mind that that's going to take a lot of time away from what you need to focus on, right? I'm not saying that you can't make a lot of money doing it from your home, right? Well, you're going to have a lot of people who probably know you in your community, or you go and sell it to like football clubs or Cub Scouts and all those different, groups within your community. Now, what I want to show you guys that you can make money online selling t-shirt and make a lot of money with it. So I'm going to show you a couple websites that you can use. And if you guys never heard of this before, there's a website that's called Shopify, right? Shopify is a 14-day, no risk, no credit card required. You just need to enter your email. So you have 14 days to set up your store, get it going. Or even if you don't want to use Shopify, you can use like WooCommerce, and there's other different platforms that you can use. So if you guys want to use Shopify, I'm going to leave a link down below. You guys can sign up for it. And I'm going to give you guys a 14-day trial and go for it, right? So here's the thing. I'm going to show you guys some tips. And once you have this set up, once it's ready to go, the next place you want to go, you want to think about, okay, what is it that you want to do? Do you want to do like print on demand? Because print on demand is great, right? If you look at my shirt, and as I was showing you, I print these shirts when I was doing events. So I did events and I print a lot of shirts. I give some away. I sold some because I want my name and my brand out there. So that's a good thing. So especially if you have a large following and you got a large community, or you just want to start your own t-shirt business, print your own shirt, wear your own brand, right? So you can put some nice designs, get some really nice t-shirt. Ladies, you can get some crop top and some tank tops and, model, wear your brand. And people will probably wonder like, oh, that's pretty cool. There's people out there that are selling shirts that are like funny designs on them or funny stuff, right? Maybe you can tap into a niche, and let's say you want to go with baby stuff, right? You can go into baby niche and you could do some onesies with some, I love my dad, I love my mom, I love my grandpa, I love my granny, my aunt, all that kind of stuff, right? So once you create your website with Shopify, right, you set it up, you make it look good. And if you guys don't know where to get even designs and to do that, go onto the website that's called Fiverr. There's a lot of people on there, right, that will, create designs for you. And once you create those designs, the next place you want to go, right, and this, you can do print on demand on this website. It's called Printful. Printful is a great place how you can get like t-shirts like these. So they have like video tutorial and all that kind of stuff, right? How to place a manual order, things like these. And here is how it's going to work, right? if some of you never heard of Shopify before, some of you don't know what e-commerce is, and you don't know how this thing works. So I'm going to break it down to you in a nutshell. So Shopify is a platform slash website that you're going to advertise. So basically, you're going to put your t-shirts on there, brand yourself. You can promote it whether through Facebook marketing that I've done many times. So check out my YouTube channel if you don't know how to do Facebook ads, Instagram, here on YouTube, and Twitter, Pinterest. Pinterest is a great place, right? You can advertise your brand on there. And what's going to happen is once you set it up and then you connect your Obrello app, right? There's Obrello app, there's a Printful app inside of Shopify, right? So once someone decides to buy your merchandise, here's the cool trick. Once they buy the merchandise, it's going to go to Printful, right? So Printful is going to print the exact design that the customer wants. Printful then will ship that product to that customer. So once the customer pay for the item, then you're going to go to Printful and you can set it up in a way where you do it manually or you can do it automatic, right? So that way, once the customer buys it, it's going to automatically go off in the merchant, which is Printful. And Printful will do the design, print it for you, and then ship it right directly to the customer's home. So you don't have to worry about printing stuff. You don't have to, have to worry about taking time and doing all that stuff. So once you do that, everything is all done and your business is ready to go. So I hope this video helps. And remember, there's, take your time, go on these websites, check them out, sign up for them. And again, Shopify down below. That's a great way how to make money online selling t-shirts. And if you guys are looking for some passive income and you're looking for a way how to, take your business to the next level, well, I'm going to also leave a link in the description as well. So feel free to check that out as well. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel. Make sure you show some love. Let me know where you're watching this video from, and have a great day. Bye for now.